All right, guys, what's up? So it's 24th July. So let's get right into it for the live trading analysis. So currently in two positions, Aussie dollar and Euro dollar. So our Aussie dollar it's making a bit of losses. Euro dollar is making good profits. So we can take a look at what's happening today. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for Aussie, we actually bought yesterday. So we are looking at a trade where its trend is up, red is up, blue is down. So but over the next couple of days, we actually will see that it will take off these numbers. So it could get pretty low. So still in good shape for it to be upwards. So I believe yesterday I mentioned that it could actually be we're buying at the high. So with this in mind, we are okay in the sense where we can let it ride for a bit. So it's fine, not much of a concern. Don't expect it to come down. So with this taking off these numbers, especially these lower numbers, so we could see that it could actually go up higher. So we're now in a pause to actually buy in a better days. So we will hold a trade for now. And if have not entered, can enter because we are buying at the low of the past 3 days. So that's a good thing to enter again. So we'll look to probably buy um, a bit more, probably in the next 1 2 days, and see how it goes from there. So we might add on new positions as well. Cotton trend is up, but this is down, so and don't see it coming off anytime soon. So we'll skip that. Euro yen, this is trend is up, red line is up, and don't see it coming down anytime soon for the red line, so we can look to buy. And as of now, there's a pause, so it's not a deep pause, so it's a good sign. We just need to find a good position to buy in. So we probably could look to buy in, say in the next 1 or 2 days as well. So Euro yen in JPY in 1 or 2 days. So that's for JPY, Euro yen. And for Euro, what happens is we bought here and trend is up, red is up, blue is flattish at the moment. So it kind of topped it right now. So we could actually take profits. Um, but the question is, do we want to take profits over here, knowing that you'll actually pause out for a bit? So I believe my analysis was that we have a good few months ahead for trend to be solidly up over the next couple of months. So things could change, of course, over the month to month. But if we look at the weekly, it's actually almost impossible for it to come back down to these levels where it starts to turn flat or negative. So we don't see that happening. So we will see some kind of a pause perhaps, given that it's 1 2 3 up and then 1 2 3 4 5 up. So let's see. So I think we are in a good position. It's pretty extended. It's due for a correction at least. But in terms of the high, there could be even a higher high. So we have not reached the cap yet, but we could definitely look to take profits. That's one thing that that's possible. So let's just wait it out a bit more. But I'm a bit worried that I'll be waiting out too much and then we give away the good profits. So mm, so I need to decide for this. But because we moved our stop loss over here, for it to come back down, it's possible, not as impossible. Uh, but we just let it ride and see how far we can extend and take this as a learning experience as well. So my take is that it could go higher, but it will come with a pause. But the pause, if it's a right trade, it should not come back down too fiercely. Definitely not over here. So that would be something that would be a sustained up move. So we'll hold on to the trade for this as well. Pound yen is trend looks like it's a little bit up. For it to come back down to this area, little tough, but then it moves back up and starts to be flat again. So I think pound yen is going to be a bit of a whipsaw kind of a situation. So we will not trade this. For pound dollar, looks like it is trend is up, starting to turn up, and but the thing is that it's not a very strong sign given that there's a higher high, but it's not pushing up higher than it should be. So we're not trade this. It looks like it's a bit weak at the moment. Gold seems like it's topping at this area, and then push it's kind of like waiting for it to it's trying to push up higher, but it's losing steam at the moment. So I don't like to trade gold, but it's just good to take a look. But then again, if you guys want to trade this, you could wait for it to come back down a bit and pause for 2-3 days before buying. Heating oil is trend is up. This is flat, with this coming down and start to turn up. So could wait for probably a week more before to buy, but not now. Live cattle, this is up. This is flattish to down the red line, so we'll not trade that. For the loonies, this is up, red line is down, so it's on a solid down at the moment. So we could look to actually, in fact, get ourselves ready to short the market. So yeah, but we need to wait for it to bounce back out a bit more before we can look for opportunities to short. Over this period of time, it's huge changes over the past 1 month. So it's interesting to see the markets, especially when it was trending for a couple of months over here, and then boom, and then downwards again. So let's see. This will be a pretty nice trade setup for it to start to short, provided the lines allow us to do that. Yeah, so not now, not at this point in time. So yeah, that's it. Current trades: euro dollar, no way to lose money. Aussie dollar, making a little bit of losses, but we can actually, because we bought at a high, it's fine. With all the lines set up, we can actually, with the stop loss as well. So we are buying early in the pause, especially when a strong trend is here. So we can justify this long position, and just need to wait for it to come back down a bit more and then just to buy. So we could actually look to buy more for Aussie dollar over the next couple of days. And that's it. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.